Stand out instantly with AI design. Welcome back to Daily Skills AI. Today, we transform YouTube thumbnails using free AI tools, no design skills required. First, visit canva.com or Microsoft Designer and select the YouTube thumbnail format. Next, type a creative prompt such as "person excited about laptop with bright background" into the AI image generator. Then, add bold text and brand colors to make your thumbnail pop. With these simple steps, you overcome design challenges and create visuals that captivate viewers. Experience how accessible design elevates your content and attracts more clicks. Notice how these simple techniques empower even beginners to create professional-looking designs with ease and creativity. It's that easy to boost your brand. Like this video and subscribe to Daily Skills AI for more AI-powered how-to tutorials. Your creative journey begins now.